306 of one
Okay,
piece.
that's it. I
Let me
don't have
just
anything else.
Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Shimim here, back with another video, and today we're gonna be playing some Build-A-Bro, and you know, this is our episode right here. Oh my god.
And I still have 200 left of this one piece.
Oh my god, dude. This is insane.
I don't care how long this is gonna take for us to do this.
Guys, this is insane, bro.
I have a nosebleed.
Dude, oh my god. I'm putting like so much stuff. Putting everything I own.
Guys, I think that's enough, you know?
No. We need
Bro,
much
this
more.
is enough.
Fortunator once said.
This is insane, bro. Oh my god. I'm putting literally like everything I own.
Guys, can I do something? I accidentally, you know?
Yeah, this is insane.
Don't start it without me.
Oh,
Don't start it without me, dude. Guys, stop. Don't.
I'm not doing it without you guys.
I want to play. I want to see this. Don't leave. Don't do anything. Just stay there.
Alright.
I got 306
Okay,
built.
guys, invite me. I mean, yeah.
Ask to join.
Okay,
Oh my
this
god,
is
dude, this is insane. I'm putting like balloons too.
Balloons.
And stars. That's everything I own, dude. That's everything I own.
Got 200 left of this one piece.
I have way more.
Oh, wait. Oh my god, dude. This is gonna be insane. Guys, this
This is gonna help a lot. Look, Green Monkey, this is gonna help a lot.
Oh my god, dude. Look how much stuff there is. Dude, I don't think anyone has ever done this.
Maybe, you never know. I have 32 of this.
I know I'm at the 30s of this, and then don't worry, I have like 1,600 of two other things.
Alright, you guys
I've
done
got
yet?
45 of these.
16
Oh
of
my god.
marbles.
Alright guys, so I'll see you when it's finished. Alright guys, so we're basically done. We have over 2,000
Wait, you need
blocks.
to get on this. Stop, wait a second.
This is insane.
Get
Get on it, Green. Go on.
Dude, this is
There
insane.
you go.
Okay,
Alright, hold on. Let me get my recording.
Dude, this is insane.
Do you guys have any last words to say?
Yeah, no.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Ah!
Oh!
Oh no, this is a failure. This is a failure.
Oh god!
That's gonna be the greatest pirate I've ever seen. Like, we're literally. I've meant to record this before we started, but almost everything I have. That's it. And
Let's go. Oh no, stop. What's happening?
I don't know if it's
Oh,
just
no.
me, but I think something broke.
No, there are way too many
No,
blocks. That's what
it's
happened. Look at that! Dude!
I'm the only one left that's staying on here.
My bones are broken in this game. My bones are broken.
Oh, I literally was in
Dude! Oh my god!
Oh!
Oh!
No, that's the wrong way. It's the wrong way.
No! Get up! No! Oh my god!
We're out. No,
What is this, dude? Oh my god!
No, this isn't good. This isn't healthy.
Oh! Dang it! No, way!
Yes.
No!
No, not that way.
Wrong way!
die.
Back to the place again.
Green, you're gonna die!
Green, what are you doing?
Dude!
Oh god.
Bro,
God!
this is crazy, man. Bro, I'm so lucky.
Oh no!
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
Green! Oh my god!
Okay, I'm back on. I'm back on.
Slip is just like,
Oh no, no, no. Oh, God.
Dude, what You literally got flung! You got flung, oh my god!
No, fight me, fight me. I'm Where am I? Wait, where am
Oh my god!
Yo, what are we doing? Oh, what?
Oh my god!
Okay, bye. Green monkeys.
What is this? What is this?
What's happening?
What is happening, dude?
I can't even get.
You can't even get on! Oh! Dude, the server's lagging!
where are we dropping, boys?
We're not trying to stop Fortnite!
Slip
Oh
is
my
still
God.
in here.
What?
Here.
I can't get back on.
No! No, why you jump off?
I didn't. They flung me off.
Oh my god! Wally!
I stuck in caps on the wrong thing.
Wally! Oh my god! Oh!
Moving. No, I want to get on. I want to get on. I want to get on.
Get in!
on.
Get on! It's inside of the terrain!
I'm stuck. I can't get on. No, I can't get on. I can't get on, man. That's not fun.
Oh god, dude, what is this?
Oh,
Dude, I literally play Roblox with Green Monkey for once, and this is what I do with him. Dude,
We
what do
didn't
you
even
mean
get
you're
a two-horse
We're just
rebel.
stuck here. Oh my god, dude, I'm almost out.
What the heck?
Oh!
Don't leave me. Don't
What's going on? What's going on?
Don't
going on?
leave me, please,
What's
guys,
going
don't
on,
leave me.
dude? What's going on? Oh!
I'm controlling it.
Oh!
I
Oh!
want to get on. Go out. Go out. I want to get on.
Let's get on.
Oh my god! Alright guys, so that's gonna be part one. Alright, I'm gonna do part two, boys.